Hello, friends. I'm sure by now you know how passionate I am about dancing. And since I share important events of my life with you, here's a video of a dance performance which we recently performed in Bangalore. It was a Bihu dance from Assam, and the song had the most wonderful beat. Here you can see us getting ready. And for a change, I'm not doing my makeup but getting it done from a professional makeup artist. I am wearing a mekla and lots of silver jewelry.
My makeup is done. I'm unrecognizable, but this is how stage makeup is.
Very soon, our performance is going to begin.
ওই কোণে বিচি দিব ওই